Hello and welcome back. We hope you found value in your online training experience. We truly appreciate your feedback. In this installment, we're going to discuss navigating and the features of the portal. Let's log in. The portal can be found at https://idcube.odoo.com. Clicking on Contact Us will link you back to the contact page on our website. Let's head back to the login page. Click on Sign In. Enter your username and password. I saved mine in my browser. Now click Login. Your account page loads, and you land on the My Account tab. There's a lot going on here. Let's start with the My Account features. Then we'll discuss what's available on the File menu. We'll start on the top left with Sales Orders. Any sales order that's associated with your email address will be displayed here. To get back to the My Account page, simply click on your name, then click on My Account. Next, below Sales Orders is your Invoices. Go ahead and click on your Invoices. Any invoice associated with this email address will be displayed here. Go ahead and click back to My Account. At the very bottom of the left column is Connection and Security. Let's explore what this section is all about. Click on Connection and Security. This is where you would change your password, if need be. Next is two-factor authentication. This is used internally and is not currently supported for portal users. Below that is Revoke All Sessions. After entering your password, this will log you out of all sessions. And last is Delete Account. Entering your password, then selecting Delete Account will delete your account and all access to the portal. Go ahead and press Cancel. And let's get back to My Account. The last thing we need to explore from My Account, and probably the most useful, is Documents. Go ahead and click on Documents. Documents are broken up into 3 categories. Let's begin with Marketing. Marketing is where you will find PDF versions of our solutions broken down by vertical, product, and solution. Case studies or white papers are individual studies written up by vertical. Brochures houses all of our available brochures broken down by country, solution, product, and vertical. And last, data sheets for RFID credentials, enclosures, controllers, and readers are located also within Marketing. The next section is Customer Success. From Customer Success, you can find wiring diagrams and manuals. These manuals are geared toward installation and deployment and are categorized by controller, hardware, and software. The last section is dedicated to software. From within software, you will find application notes, manuals, and release notes, all pertaining to our Access 360 platform. Like any active server page, never use your browser controls to navigate. Use the links within the pages to navigate through documents. Let's find a document in each category to give you a feel for navigation. For our first example, let's locate and download a datasheet for a Mercury MP1502. Excellent. Now, from Customer Success, I want the Quick Start Guide for Mercury. Very good. Last, from Software, I would like to review the application notes for the Apple Wallet integration overview. And remember, you can navigate from the links. Select Home to get us back to the My Account page. That concludes the review of the My Account page. We suspect Documents, by far, will be your most used section. Now that you have a better understanding of the navigation aspects and available content of the My Account page, let's now discuss the available menu options. Selecting the IDCube logo or home menu item will bring you to the portal homepage. Clicking on Events will display scheduled, upcoming events. Select Technical Support to submit a tech support ticket. It looks as though my email has not been confirmed. This is why this is shown. We will verify it in a moment. Next is Courses. Sure enough, my email has not been verified. Let's do this real quick. Excellent. My account has been verified. Now I can participate in forums and online learning. The available courses are found under Courses. The next menu selection is Contact Us. This opens a form that can be submitted asking us any question regarding our products or offerings. The next menu selection is FAQ, or Frequently Asked Questions. You can search other questions, or if your email has been registered, post your own questions. The IDCube IT support section is for internal use and does not pertain to portal-only users. And last, there's a plus sign at the end of the menu that serves two purposes. The first is a quick link to submitting a ticket. The second link is for the project tracker. This link gives you the ability to submit a project for design assistance. We are always here to help. This concludes our overview of the Partner Portal. We hope you find this tutorial useful, and most importantly, help you maximize your portal usage and knowledge. Thank you for your time and consideration, and be well.